Welcome to English with Learn Languages channel. Today, we're going to practice listening and understanding English by talking about daily routines. This lesson is perfect for A1 English learners who want to improve their vocabulary and speaking skills. I have a different routine on weekdays and weekends. I'll start by telling you about my routine on weekdays. On weekdays, I normally wake up at about 6 or 6:15 a.m. I like waking up early. I don't like getting up late. When I wake up, the first thing I do is read for a while. Then I study languages for a bit. Currently, I'm studying Indonesian. I like to study in the morning because I feel motivated. Other people prefer studying in the evening. When do you like to study? Morning, afternoon, or evening? After I study, I usually eat some fruit as my first food of the day. Then I start my work. I usually start working at 7:30 a.m. Most other people start at 8 or 9 a.m., but I like starting early. I'm an English teacher and I teach many students. I have different students every day. Some days I have many classes, and other days I have fewer. Most of my students are from Brazil and Russia, but I have students from many other countries too. Every day I talk to people from all over the world. This is really fun and I love my job. During my workday, I have some breaks. Sometimes I have a 30-minute break between classes. During my breaks, I eat, study, and spend time with my family. My last class usually ends at 4:30 or 5 p.m. Many Americans finish work at 5 p.m. After I finish work, I eat dinner at home. I'm always hungry when I finish work. In the United States, people eat dinner early, like at 6 p.m. This is very common. In other countries, people eat dinner late, like at 9 p.m. I don't like eating late. For us, dinner is the biggest meal of the day, and we eat a lot for dinner. Some days I exercise in the evening too. I don't exercise every day, but I should exercise more. After I exercise and eat dinner, I have dessert. I normally have milk and cookies. I love milk and cookies. After dessert, I study my languages a bit more. Then I spend time with my family. Lastly, I take a shower, brush my teeth, and get ready for bed. I usually go to bed at 10 p.m. That's my normal routine. On weekdays, I like to have a consistent routine. I plan my days and try to follow my plan. Some people don't like planning their days and prefer to do different things every day. I like doing different things too, but I like having a general plan to follow. If I don't have a general plan, I feel lost. However, on the weekends, I do many different activities. My weekends are very different from my weekdays, but I always wake up and go to bed at the same time every day. That doesn't change. I like to start and end every day at the same time. What about you? Do you have a daily routine, or do you prefer to be spontaneous? That's all for today. Leave a comment and tell me if you have a daily routine. I'll see you next time.